Hello, Afyafo. I want to talk about Fofoofo. So your friend Bernard, and we start to change your friend Nancy. So they are who name no your behind nice about chemo tips for how I beat my day at Tony free China. So and the content is about Alipay. Yesterday than the chemo say yeah. But try how I bet you come before some base Alipay in order to connect to 1688 Pindudu na fede I do fish as well. Yeah. And then you bet you now be a how I sign up and I feel so open so load wallet how I bet open your agent to make sure the process no first of all make sure come before so I sign up to Alipay very simple then from there on that nice actual come before somebody we find the agent and see first of all don't you so better download the Alipay free Play Store and App Store yeah then what install and you download the app on the free Play Store they'll be any say first, you hear your passport. Yeah, so Alipay international platform, and unless passport, no, it's me then create your account. Most of the time, so we might want to use say, I can't say, make more Ghana card. Let's me create your account. Only people Ghana card need create your account because Alipay is not in Ghana, and this is MTN for service now. I can say we are using Ghana card. A China for platform. And I said to acquire coverage. You don't think Ghana card in there go your passport. Sana. A function source on our platform. So into here, verified passport. Say who create account in Quadia and by force who account a passport in Bayodia. Which one should be on create account to that passport. And now say which means the passport not create account like 4 times Anna.
Yeah, 4 times.
Yeah, 4 times. And it say Obi you should be passport, I which mean that create account 4 times. Yeah, the passport get him hold the account 4 times. And to see another app now, you have to sign up using with my Gmail and I say a number. And that number so it may create 2 accounts from 1 number. And first of all, no, that's 233. And now for the other number, no, also so number no, with me the full 10 digits. And now so with me omit 0 no. But now I create different accounts and typically create maybe in the process now, first one I'm go through, you want to create new one. Yeah, so it's that you just take away the 0, you add the 0 to it to get different accounts. And after so with me, I switch between accounts by going to the settings. Yeah. And after so I create accounts now, you know, home button now, yeah, well, this icons for top for which is the scan, pay, and I collect. Say, open say, ABR. On save your QR code and receive this account more. We use the collect aspect. You just click on the collect and so no say it may be a QR code now then. I'm not save it as an image to a gallery. And to say we verify and I say we go through the process with them account using the passport to verify the app now. You can just give that QR code to any agent so that they will pay you. Yes, and system na kwa kwe. And after so you will be a scan icon one and we say we are share supplier direct. Maybe a person 21 free Alibaba. Until we share supplier through you can say Alipay, which might use the scan code section or scan or more QR code or pay. And after so these are some few things I so go through to get your account verified. First of all, I say go settings. Yeah, we call settings now your security settings and then your payment settings. We call payment settings now. Payment settings no best set certificate PIN. As in like mobile PIN. To be able to make a transaction, you have to enter a mobile PIN to approve the transaction. And option you so and certificate PIN it doesn't have to come from you can say or contact, they will sense it. Until you see that's about mixing. But to try so or says numbers no yeah any number from what contact and says numbers from contact now they will know say you are taking the number from a contact and they'll prompt you not to use but use different number. Yeah. And after so I set it up with this number no 6-digit PIN no, you have to also add a passport. Yeah, first of all first not adding passports, they're very simple. You just upload or passport and then you go to the recommended section. Now for the what take you a selfie normal preview, but this time around they will ask you to update the passport, which is going to the security settings, then go to verify me. To click here, so you have to then upload the passport. First of all, I saw a picture, a passport picture on our phone, so no upload there through gallery. So it will just detect the page now for there. I input all these details now, I'm not submitting. And from there, You just have to verify yourself. Like they will give you extra options to go through. Then as you approve, once that everything is set, they will direct you to go back to balance. Yeah, so balance, I want to final payment, final settings, Oko balance now, say account no active, you see go over there. Say active there who go and the moment everyone go it's on click go so now for there then I was set it I could verify one name and does it work if you are obi yep you can say verification na and passport or drana because na name ya ebe detect
to detect as not the person's passport.
Yeah, and nipa na using the passport and at least say on around now you then want to mean using an email then so when they say they are fine me kai say me skip it that size one time be obi use obi buy but now you dark account yeah na then epic but yeah obi a na be dey very careful enti say nipa na using the passport no say nya wo dia dia nipa no enwo hono use na nimfanya the final scan and the amount to wonder once that you are done we won't say go na any balance will be until this means account is active which might receive this card or Alipay accounting then you can use to pay people on 1688 and I say Alibaba. Yeah, until how to get an agent from China now say Ghana has it to load your wallets nice is better a day before. Yeah.
Nti ye ka se ebi akwan a obefa so a loadi wa Alipay account na se ye ka RMB na is the same as ade friend Chinese yen ane obi bisa obi ho no ma ka Chinese yen na wonte ase nti RMB ne no ane Chinese yen se ope Chinese yen ni bi ato ana se ope se loadi o Alipay account na your logistic companies bebre ho a ombetini aboa but ade ba ko e se wo hye ne nso ne se logistic company bia ene omu rate a omu use se ne wo dollar rate no sa no so ne wo the Chinese rate nti you need an agent a obetinya supply wo sa RMB na ye ka ho asem no nti sa RMB ukọ Fofoofo import a omu so omu tombi nti Fofoofo import ukọ a omu rate a omu de be ma na ebia ukra 2000 10,000 a ebe depend amount no na rate no na be determine the amount of Chinese yen na ubenya nti rate no as American ye say company bia e woni rate ana agent bia woni rate nti esan say ebia wankasa wuntimi nya obi wo China ho ana agent bi wo China ho be supply wo direct no nti there are a lot of agents in Ghana. Yes, I can't remember say your previous videos no you introduce a site emamo that site no so wo ho no nti enen no so ebia obisa say nti ebia umpe say agent na say China logistic company na auto RMB na free ho no ebe real nti ebe cho kwan a obetini aye wo so wankasa calculation a obenya ne correct isan say ukra cedis na opese RMB dudu a obenya ne nti no say agent ne ma rate na you just multiply the rate by the cedis na ukra no to get the RMB you get in cedis ena ebia your friend is saying supplier number RMB a say utua na opese uhu ahia obetua in cedis no into rate no just divided RMB na supplier ne the amount no just divided by the rate na the agent na woto ifri the amount into no o divide ya no we nya amount a say utua ma agent ne in cedis so that is how the calculation in RMB no nyina adwuma inti senia na braben ka say Alipay no you need to get a scan code to receive payment inti unya agent na your friend is saying on ka rate nature na o sending is car abbreviate na say we make sure say o send we scan code ne ma agent no senia obenam sa scan code no alodi wo Alipay account but sometimes no do some payment limits bi and I say some restrictions bi wo ho a be a scan code no entimi nye den omuntimi use scan code entia nti no sa na eba sa na do request for account name no because oye passport na we use ye no edin na ewo passport no so no be request for sa edin no e na e bia say number na we use ye for registration no and na email na we use for registration no on be sa details ni na senia on betumi alodi wa Alipay account. It happens on the condition say bia na amount na so omo transfer amount is huge that maybe they can't use the scan code to do the transfer.
Yes, and I feel so. If you saw with my flexi challenge, say account be block it, and I'm very restricted to account. Sometimes when you be was announced any notification say account restricted. Yes. One thing is our customer service no very fast, 24 hours. And anytime you ever contact you, someone will be responding to you. And so of course settings one our bones said there was this headset icon and a customer service page, to boss what. Yeah, first of all, I do more AI to assist you, but in order to get a real agent to deal with, you just have to keep typing like 3 times and have a visa. Then every breaky AI connection to transfer you to a real agent. Now for the you start communicating with the person. To say be our account are restricted now, you then have to contact the person and a customer care. Obama this prompt to input or last for the number of or passport and to input here then I know you say or verify say actually you are the passport holder and then or course no then or making any changes based on then or making informal say I say you block your account and I say be our ritual limit now sika or Alipay account tomorrow. About 7 weeks to use the amount in your Alipay account. Not from I'm not blocking the back. Yeah, I am more daily limit. Now I can't say monthly limit. Now your yearly limit. If your account not I use at the year huge transaction now. So on cost settings now cost setting monthly targeting it to like million CDI million numbers and yeah a lot of numbers. So the be ultimately reach yearly limit and I say I can't say monthly limit. And yes, there one coin is now you see the default one reach here, they'll ask you to wait maybe the next year so that you can just start processing by using your Alipay account. These are a few things and I say Alipay before
okay, can say sometimes I think say I've encountered such challenges before. Say maybe your first time now or your registration now or block you or and now say or restrict your account. Basa na me manenye adesu anase or how crama. The here say send ya minya be man kan their customer service is always active. Inti oko na o complaints na why ya mom. Inti pacho ya na oye complaints ni we are. Most of times no because time difference ni inti no. Yeah, almost half maybe anopa customer service no. Almost half personal call. Normal call anopa no. Inti ebasa na o file complain and I say bibia make sure say obey active phone so because they can call you anopa within any time to get informations from you. And as I say, first your friend is saying Alipay verification with your passport now. First when you upload the passport now ebia a confirming complete everything na ka face verification but Nancy and things sisa most of times upload the passport to them for verification purposes. Into it goes through a process. Into ebia udu baby na say ebia you can always contact us. We are always available to assist you. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
And that's it for today. That's how I beat my creative Alipay. And also we have a video about how I go through all the steps, with me how checking out now feel why they want follow steps. Alright, so we will just here and there say I check some companies of a creative account and our face will load the Alipay wallet. And I think say
how to convert ABS CDs now one RMB.
Yeah, so how to convert money. Yeah, and with this few tips here, the mom, I think so with that, with my create your accounts without facing any hassle. And see, Fofoofo imports, so you'll be out. Or start or shipping and then don't have any agent to use now. Fofoofo import, if it's my recommend your mom, so the be a bit my I use your mom. For any inquiries, you always my contact your number and I want to for more information. And I feel super say load wallets, Alipay payments, I wait my Fofoofo imports na then. Yeah, boy, and for when I want to be a person want to, and I'm more limited amount. But I so you just said brand better 50 RMB and 100 cedis. I'm not 14 per 100 cedis.
Yes, so long as we are agents, we'll serve you.
All right, but try and bring huge RMB so they be out. Oh, tonema, there's a importation. There's on tonema. So that's what people putting there and come email. Yeah, yeah, bet me up and will pay any amount to be adding. Oh, person when you're there, won't talk either RMB and I say CDs. All you have to do is to bring it. You're bedding. You're set so yes.
Skip the extra payments you do using your Visa card.
Yeah, I'm not using your Visa card. And
because Visa card no to add free either 688 and a pindudua. They add an extra RMB. Aside Abia who place the order and the RMB you see the way your payments now they increase it a bit and sana Visa card for better, levy better bank charges. Oh, let's check all this. This is the best way to go.
For RMB, I don't know how I'm crumping any profit because transaction we don't have all your transaction now I'm on tissue. So that's the reason why most agents know they prefer using Alipay payment because all do wallets 50 who make payments now the same 50. The Aqua platform go they don't charge. It's like for free, so free transaction. That's why we always have to use Alipay. But say we use a card now it will go through bank and bank will charge almost service. That's why anytime there are extra charges to this payment. Until try your possible best and verify your Alipay account. Yeah. Till you must say next time you make us for how about connect Alipay to 1688. Bye.
Bye.